Think your phone calls are private? Not quite. Today we're exposing the top free tools hackers use to intercept and listen to phone calls. This isn't sci-fi. These are real vulnerabilities in the tech you use every day. Our goal: awareness, not encouragement. Understanding these tools helps you protect yourself. This video is for educational purposes only. Intercepting calls without consent is illegal and unethical. Let's pull back the curtain and see how your calls can really be intercepted. First up, Wireshark, the legendary network analyzer. It's a diagnostic tool, but in the wrong hands, it can capture and dissect every packet on a network, including your VoIP calls. On public Wi-Fi, someone running Wireshark in promiscuous mode can see all network traffic, not just their own. By filtering for VoIP protocols like SIP and RTP, they can isolate call data from the noise. Wireshark can even reconstruct and play back unencrypted calls from captured packets. Encryption is your best defense. If your call uses SRTP, Wireshark only sees gibberish. But not all services encrypt by default, and Wireshark quickly reveals which ones don't. It's not just a hacker's tool, it's also how you audit your own security. In summary, Wireshark is free, powerful, and foundational for understanding how data moves and how it can be intercepted. If you're using unencrypted VoIP on public Wi-Fi, your calls are at risk. Always check if your apps use end-to-end encryption. Wireshark teaches you just how exposed your data can be. It's a wake-up call for anyone who thinks their digital conversations are safe by default. Use it to test your own defenses, not to invade others' privacy. Remember, knowledge is your first line of defense. Don't trust public networks with sensitive calls. Let's move up from local networks to the global phone system. Now, let's talk about SS7, the protocol that connects phone networks worldwide. SS7 was built on trust, with no real authentication. That's a huge problem today. Attackers with SS7 access can reroute calls and texts, intercepting them without you ever knowing. This isn't just theory. Real attacks have redirected calls and stolen two-factor authentication codes. Gaining SS7 access isn't easy, but it's possible through shady telecoms or black market services. With the right tools, attackers can track your phone's location, intercept texts, and silently forward your calls. The scariest part? You'll never see a warning or notification. SS7 attacks are invisible, happening deep in the network's core. Efforts to replace SS7 with more secure protocols are slow, and new systems have their own flaws. For now, the best defense is to use end-to-end encrypted apps like Signal or WhatsApp, which bypass SS7 entirely. Don't rely on SMS or traditional calls for sensitive information. The global phone system's trust model is broken. Protect yourself by moving to secure internet-based communication. SS7 is a reminder. The infrastructure we trust is often the most vulnerable. Stay alert to the risks, and don't assume your carrier is keeping you safe. If you value privacy, use apps that encrypt everything, end-to-end. The less you rely on the old phone network, the safer you are. Let's look at another threat: fake cell towers. The next attack is even closer to home. Ready for stingrays? Here's how they work. IMSI catchers, or stingrays, pretend to be real cell towers. Your phone connects automatically, no questions asked. Once connected, all your calls, texts, and data flow through the attacker's device. The operator can see who you're calling, read your texts, and track your location. Advanced stingrays force your phone to downgrade to weak 2G encryption, making interception trivial. These devices used to be government only, but now anyone with a software-defined radio and open-source tools can build one. Detecting IMSI catchers is tough. Most apps aren't reliable. The best defense? Use end-to-end encrypted apps. Even if your traffic is intercepted, it's just scrambled data. Don't trust that your phone's connection is always secure. If you're discussing sensitive info, use secure apps, not regular calls or SMS. Stingrays show how easily your phone can be tricked into giving up everything. Physical proximity is all an attacker needs. Encryption is your only real shield. Be cautious in public spaces. Your phone is always searching for a signal. The threat is real, and it's getting cheaper every year. Let's move to the next tool: weaponizing business phone systems. How can a business PBX become a hacker's playground? Here's how. Meet Asterisk, open-source software for building business phone systems. It's powerful and flexible, but in the wrong hands, it's a tool for call interception. Attackers can set up an Asterisk server to act as a man in the middle, silently recording or listening to VoIP calls. They can even manipulate calls in real time, using features like Chan Spy or Whisper. Compromising a business's PBX gives attackers access to every call, voicemail, and extension. Many businesses use Asterisk but fail to secure it, making it a goldmine for hackers. The attack is more advanced, often requiring network compromise or DNS spoofing. But if an attacker gets in, they control the entire phone system. The lesson: secure your PBX with strong passwords, limited access, and regular updates. Don't overlook your phone system when thinking about cybersecurity. A poorly protected PBX is a massive risk. For businesses, it's not just about firewalls. Your phones are a target too. Asterisk's power is a double-edged sword. Use it wisely and lock it down. Now, let's talk about spyware that turns your phone into a bug. FlexiSPY is commercial spyware, marketed for parental control, but often used for illegal surveillance. Once secretly installed, it hides itself and records everything: calls, texts, keystrokes, even encrypted app messages. It can remotely record calls and upload them for the attacker to listen to later. FlexiSPY can also enable live call interception. An attacker can silently join your calls in real time. The most chilling feature: ambient recording. The attacker can turn on your microphone anytime, turning your phone into a bug. Physical access is usually required to install it, but once it's on, you'll never know. Defend yourself. Use strong device locks, never leave your phone unattended, and watch for unusual battery drain or data use. Only install apps from trusted sources, and check permissions carefully. Spyware like FlexiSPY is a privacy nightmare. The legality is murky, but using it without consent is almost always illegal. Don't underestimate the threat. Your phone can be weaponized against you. Stay vigilant and protect your device. Now let's look at open-source spyware anyone can build. Enter AndroRat. AndroRat is an open-source remote access Trojan for Android. Anyone can download, modify, and deploy it. Attackers bind it to legit-looking apps, then trick users into installing them from third-party sources. Once installed, AndroRat gives attackers full control, access to files, contacts, GPS, and, crucially, call logs and audio. They can record calls, activate the microphone for ambient listening, and steal sensitive data, all remotely. The code is constantly tweaked to evade antivirus detection. The best defense: only install apps from the official Play Store and scrutinize permissions. If a simple app asks for microphone or contact access, deny it. Don't sideload apps unless you absolutely trust the source. AndroRat shows how easy it is for attackers to weaponize your phone. Good digital hygiene is your best protection. Stay alert for suspicious app behavior. Your phone is a powerful computer. Treat it like one. Next, let's see how hacking tools are now in your pocket. Meet Zanti. Zanti is a mobile penetration testing toolkit for Android. Think of it as a hacker's Swiss Army knife on your phone. Connect to Wi-Fi, and Zanti maps the network, finds devices, and checks for vulnerabilities. With a few taps, it can launch man-in-the-middle attacks, intercepting unencrypted traffic, including VoIP calls. It automates complex attacks, making them accessible to anyone. While designed for security testing, it's dangerous in the wrong hands. Public Wi-Fi is especially risky. The defense: avoid sensitive activity on public Wi-Fi, use a VPN, and stick to encrypted apps. Zanti shows how hacking tools are now mobile and user-friendly. Anyone can run powerful attacks from their phone. Don't assume your network is safe just because it's wireless. Test your own security, but never attack others. The barrier to entry for hacking has never been lower. Let's wrap up with how to stay safe. 7 tools. Countless threats. Your calls are more exposed than you think. The key: unencrypted communication is vulnerable, whether on Wi-Fi or cellular. Use strong passcodes, secure your devices, and only install trusted apps. For sensitive conversations, use end-to-end encrypted apps and a VPN on public networks. Good habits are your best defense. Knowledge is power. Stay informed, stay safe. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more cybersecurity insights. Thanks for watching. Protect your privacy and see you next time.